Sometimes we move so fast that we forget to breathe, and that we don't even notice that when we're inhaling, we're moving the navel in instead of expanding. Breath has the capacity to slow down your mind, to stop your reactions, your emotional turmoil. Just take a moment to pause in any situation. Developing our breath capacity and slowing down our breath rate so that we breathe slower at a regular basis every single day can help improve our health, our energy levels, our clarity of mind. We often overlook how important the breath is. Such a simple tool that we do every day, that we do automatically. But it's one of the most powerful processes that we do metabolically. And it has such an effect on our entire being. Why do we live the way we live? Why are we controlled by our emotions and our mind? Why don't we take the time to sit and listen? Because we have deep blocks to sitting and just being with ourselves because of conditioning and things that we haven't processed. But the breath not only brings these things up, but it can help us process them and release them. So our general well-being and state of mind and state of health is improved. So this is a really simple 3-minute pranayam and breath work meditation. Take the hands, put the thumb tips at the end of the pinky finger, and make fists. Just rest this at the heart center. So the sides of your hands are resting and the pinkies are resting together. Your eyes are open just a little bit and you're looking at the tip of your nose. This helps with developing the personality. And what does that mean? What is our personality truly? Our personality has often been a collection of our experiences. But our real personality is the personality of our spirit and the personality of our soul. Each individual person, we are all so diverse, and that is what makes the world beautiful. So we're connecting with that and we're really helping our mental focus here. So begin by taking a deep inhale through the nose. And then exhale through an O-shaped mouth. Inhale through the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Continue this pattern slowly and see how much you can slow down your breath. Remember to expand the belly on the inhale. Contract it and bring the navel point in on the exhale. Keep your mental focus. Keep the body relaxed. See if you can lengthen every breath. Lengthen it one more second. Keep deepening it. You should hear your breath. Make sure your inhale and exhale are equal. Keep breathing deeply. Now on this last inhale, inhale deeply. Suspend the breath. Hold the breath. Pull null bond as long as you're not on your cycle or after your 120th day. That's pulling in on the navel, up on all the lower muscles, bringing the Kundalini up to the crown. And exhale. Release the hands. Shake them out. Practicing meditation, which I've been doing for 25 years, helps me live in an extraordinary way versus a way that I would say is more ordinary. Everything is more alive. It tastes sweeter. Colors look more vibrant after meditation. The heart is expanded. These feelings of happiness and bliss that we all hear about are achieved when you get to yourself and you move all the conditioning out of the way. And it truly is a miraculous process. A challenging process, but a really miraculous one. Sat Nam.